Hello everyone, this is SOFT-REASON. Once again, you are welcome to this presentation. In this presentation, we will be considering how to produce dimension for our plans in millimeter, feet, and inches, just like this. All right? And so feel free to drop your comment as well as questions if there is any at the comment sections. Straight away, let us start. First of all, we want to be dimensioning this. All right, so I'll go straight away to use the linear dimension. I pick grid length 1 and 6 to have the overall dimension just like this, and then I can add dimension from one grid length to another as I use continuous dimensions for ease of dimensioning, just like this. All right, getting that done, come to this side to do the same thing from grid length A to D at first, and then grid length A to B, a continuous dimension. All right, okay, having this done just like this, I will type D on the keyboard for dimension start, or you can come through this dimension tab, you come to dimension start. It will still give you the same result of typing D on the keyboard and press enter. All right, so I will type D right there and enter, and this will take me to this provision dimension style manager. All right, in this dialog, I will select this JCD 180. All right, it is important you select the dimension style, the dimension style you use for your dimensioning. Every dimensioning has a dimension style. Okay, so for all these dimensions, this is the dimension style. All right, so you have to take note of that. After selecting that, click on the modify. All right, this will take you to modify dimension style. In this provision, we want to make some changes. You can see all the text. All right, we don't have to touch these provisions, but just go straight away to alternate unit right there, this one. Okay, and check this display alternate unit. All right, okay, after having that check, you see the whole of this provision is now prompting. All right, and so click right there in this decimal unit format, decimal, and select architectural as the unit format. All right, and then the precision, take it to inches, take it to feet and inches right there. Then the multiplier for alternate unit is going to be 0. The board already is set to millimeter. That is why you're having 25.4. All right, which is the alternate unit, but you just have to change it to 0.04, just like this. This is the conversions multiplier unit for millimeter and feet as well as inches. All right, so having that set, just come to the placement and then place it below primary value, just like that. Okay, after you have that done, click on OK button, and then you just have to set this current. All right, click right there, and then set it another styles current will discard your style override. Yes, click on OK to continue, and then click on closed. Once that is done, you see you have now having it in feet and inches. You can see here, this is 1.2 is equivalent to 4 feet. All right, this is 3150 is equivalent to 10 feet 6 inch. All right, so if you want to confirm that as well, the multiplier from feet to meter is 0.3. So if for instance I activate a calculator just like this and I check that, okay, so I want to convert this 4 feet to meter. All right, so I want to type right there 0.3, which is the multiplier, all right, times 4, all right. And if I say equals to, this is 1.2 meter, which is equivalent to 1200 millimeter. 1.2 meter, you want to convert that, you will use 1000 to multiply this 1.2 to convert it to millimeter, all right. So this is 1.2 equivalent to 1200 millimeter or 1200 millimeter, all right. So this is how the conversions works effectively with AutoCAD, and we have successfully have our dimension in millimeter, all right. The one up, the text up there is in millimeter, and this one is in feet and inches, all right. So this is how to do the conversions. I don't think this is that difficult, all right. So thanks for being available through this lesson, and stay tuned for more advanced lesson, and bye for now.